Hello everybody, it's been a while since we've done an update, but I suppose everybody's been doing such a great job of covering the whole, the S word that we've been having with FTX and Alameda research that I didn't feel a need to do an update. However, at this particular point, we've had the latest installment of FUD, which is the Grayscale Trust. If that thing sells off what they're holding in their trust, that would be an absolute calamity. That would be a disaster. That would be, that would probably cut Bitcoin in half. So we do need to be careful, and I'm a little bit nervous with Monday approaching now. So this is Sunday night here in Europe, so it's 10:30 at night, and the future markets are going to open soon in the United States, and that's going to make everybody a little bit nervous. But also, if Grayscale doesn't come up with the goods, like $1 billion by Monday, they may have to start liquidating assets, which is really going to plummet the price. So you guys want to be careful. And I really don't like this. We haven't actually closed an early candle below this level pretty much this entire time since here. We closed this one, but then we immediately pumped up. So, but really, since here back on the 16th of November, but it is possibly going to close now. We have 30 minutes left, but if this closes below, this could trigger some algos to start selling, and then it's cascading liquidations after that. Looking at the 1 day, if we zoom out a little, well, I think 4 hour was actually better. What we had here was this initial flush, then we bounced, and then we flushed again, and then we bounced, and now we're consolidating here. The important thing to notice is we didn't put in a lower low. So this was 15.6 and this was 15.7, 15.8 or so. So this would be like a double bottom sort of situation. This would be fine. But if this flushes, this would very easily, like we're not far away from the previous low. How much have we got to go? So we are right now, what, 4%? That's nothing. That can easily flush. And once that flushes, once we take out this low, that's going to trigger stop losses. That's going to trigger all sorts of algos and bots and stuff. We're going to be down at 13.7 before you can say, holy crap. And then if we start getting, Sailor, it looks really bad. And one thing we need to realize is this is not business as usual. What we're looking at the moment is, first of all, we've got the war in Ukraine, we got a macro situation which is deteriorating, and we have just a structural issue with inside crypto, with all these companies over leveraged and just kind of intermingled all over the place, and it's just, and we have a Federal Reserve that is taking money off the table instead of printing it. It is just the worst possible thing you can imagine. And we've already taken out the previous high. So we've taken out 20K and we're sitting down at 16. So this is something that's never happened before. So, don't think it is out of the realm of possibility to essentially really flush like never before, like to revisit 10K, 9K, maybe lower, because it would be such a massive contagion event. Everybody's just running away from crypto right now, and we've got regulation coming, and it's just really bad. You need to make some hedges, open some shorts, possibly, maybe sell some positions, and to make sure that you can take advantage of the dip if it happens, or that at least you've got some money left to survive the coming winter, because it's just looking really bad. I've never seen this bad. I went through the 2018 bear market, and it, back in the day, the macro situation was fine. There was no war, and there was, the money was still being printed, and the interest rates were much lower, and it was just a completely different situation. Whereas now, with this massive contingent, like that did not exist in the previous bear market. It was just people, buying those tokens that are completely out of whack in terms of their valuations, and that had to correct itself. But other than that, there was nothing else going on, But now we have serious headwinds here, so I have to say it is just an unpleasant situation to be in right now. And before Monday morning, you will want to kind of hedge your positions a little bit, because I have a feeling next week we're going to be flushed. We're going to flush this level and we're going to go down 13.7 minimum, possibly lower. So be careful and be ready. All right. Cheers for now.